Hello, hungry friends! This is a quick and easy to make American-style stew with just a few ingredients. Sweet potatoes have been growing in popularity here in Germany over the past few years, and as you'll see, with this delicious stew, it's totally justified. You'll need sweet potatoes, an onion, a stalk of leek, also known as green onion, and sausage. I'm using Mettenden, but you could also use soft salami, salsiccia would work great too. I haven't tried cabanossi, but it would probably fit well too. For spices, we'll need pepper, salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. Plus, we'll need chicken or alternatively vegetable stock. To prepare, there are just a few quick steps to make everything go faster later. Clean the leek, wash it, and cut it into thin rings. Slice the sausage into thin pieces, peel and roughly dice the sweet potatoes. Finally, chop the peeled onion. Now take a large pot or a deep pan, add a little oil and heat it up. Add the diced sweet potatoes, chopped onion and leek rings. Saute everything in the hot oil for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. At this point, you should add the sausage slices to the pan and then pour in the stock carefully. Stir everything. Adjust the heat so it simmers, cover with a lid, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the sweet potatoes are soft. Depending on the variety, it might take another 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, uncover and add a pinch of cinnamon. Adjust the seasoning with more or less pepper and salt to taste, give it a taste test. Stir in the spices, and that's it. We can take our finished stew off the stove. As you can see, it was really quick to make, but tastes hearty and delicious. If you'd like to add a burst of flavor, you can definitely sprinkle some freshly chopped herbs right on top. Or, as I did, add a few rings of spring onion on top. I hope you have fun preparing it and enjoy your meal. See you next time. Goodbye. Bye-bye.